Hi. So today I am going to share with you the 4 remedies you have for registering an FIR with the police. Now whenever you have a cause of action or whenever you have a grievance which is criminal in nature, the first and the foremost step is that you must approach police station. Now they will decide whether it is a criminal or a civil. That is a different issue altogether. Now before approaching the police station, you must do this step. It is better if you write the complaint on a piece of paper in detail with the dates and the time and the witnesses, details of the witnesses, and send it by register post. Immediately, whenever the cause of action occurred, immediately you should do this without fail. And remember, it must be registered post. And give some time, track it online, see that it is reached the police station. And once you come to know that it reached the police station, now you personally go with a copy of the same complaint and give it to police. The reason for doing this preliminary step of sending the complaint by register post is that most of the times police do not acknowledge your complaint. They are scared to acknowledge your complaint. So what is the proof? So once you approach this method, they will get an idea, they will be prepared to understand that you are under legal advice. So you give a complaint, whether they will acknowledge or not, it doesn't matter because you had already sent it by register post and you save that postal acknowledgement receipt given by the post office. And then you go personally in person along with a copy of the complaint and inform that you had already sent it by register post. They will not deny it because they had already given an acknowledgement to the postman. So now they will discuss about the complaint and they will decide whether to take action or not, and the following steps will ensue. I am not going to go detail into what they do or how they investigate and what they deal or how they deal with your complaint. Now the next step is, if they don't take action on your complaint, or if they decide it as civil in nature, or if they keep it pending, the remedy that is available to you is to approach the district head, who is called the superintendent of police, and send the same complaint in original by register post. Because most of the times you may not be staying, or a citizen may not be staying in the place where SP sits. SP generally sits in the district headquarters, will have his office in the district headquarters. So if you are far away from the district headquarters, or if you are near to the district headquarters, also the procedure to be followed as mandated by law is to send the same complaint by register post, alleging that the station house officer of the concerned area of your house did not entertain the complaint or did not take action on the complaint. You have to plead that. Then only the jurisdiction for appellate authority arises. So you have to file a complaint before SP, Superintendent of Police. If Superintendent of Police also fails, then you have to approach the court. Which court to approach? Every police station will have a judicial head called the magistrate. In criminal cases, the judge in Indian judiciary is called the magistrate. The first judge is called the magistrate. The lowest cadre, I am talking about the lowest cadre, because police station is linked to the lowest cadre. And in civil cases, he is called the judge. So therefore, you have to go to the magistrate, who is the judicial head of the police station, because every investigation is done under the supervision of the magistrate, under the control of the magistrate, because magistrate will have all the powers or all the judicial powers of the investigation. So if you want to know who is the concerned magistrate, you have to just go to the police station and ask them where is the court that is linked to this police station, and they will inform you the concerned court. You go to that court file an application and followed by verified affidavit, etc. You just have to ask the superintendent of that particular court for the procedure. They will inform you, or appoint an advocate. That should not be a problem. You inform to the judge about the complaint and praying for direction to the SHO or the SP, station house officer, or the superintendent of police for registration of the crime or for investigation of the crime. Magistrate has such powers, and magistrate will forward the complaint based on the complaint, or based on the ingredients and the merit in the complaint. Magistrate will forward the complaint. Magistrate will not behave like police. Don't worry about that. Magistrate is a far superior officer when compared to the police. Police is a part of the government. Police, there is every chance for police to get influenced, get corrupt, etc. But magistrate is a judicial officer, and judicial officer has a certain role in the society to function. Judiciary has a very certain role in the function. Judiciary sits above the executive. So technically magistrate is the superior to the SP also. Please remember this. So now you have to approach the magistrate and file a complaint saying or seeking a direction to the SHO or the SP to register the crime. This is the third remedy you have. And the fourth remedy, or the alternate remedy before the magistrate you have, is to file a private complaint. The private complaint procedure is totally different. You will be examined, the witnesses will be examined, and the court will register the complaint and proceed ahead. It's a private investigation done by the judge. And here the investigation, the witnesses, everything will be brought to the court by the complainant. No police interference. It is simply a private complaint filed by the complainant and with an advocate of his own. So these are the basic 4 remedies you have when police fails to register your complaint. Nothing to panic. You have 2 remedies, optional remedies before the magistrate, and 2 remedies before the police. Totally 4 remedies. Hope I am clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.